Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.2, and in this question a position time graph is given to you for two children A and B, and they are returning from their school or to their homes P and Q respectively. Fine. Choose the correct entries in the bracket that is given to you. Clear? So now you can see on this screen we have this graph that is related to motion of two children and they are returning from their school to their home. Clear? So now concentrate on a screen. Now you can see, we can see this blue graph represent the motion of a children A, and B graph this represent motion of a children, this is Q. Clear? So P and Q is the position of a home. Clear? So this graph is given to you. So let's suppose we can say, let's suppose this time is T1, and according to this graph let's suppose this time is T2. Clear? Now listen carefully. In first option it is given we have to find lives closer to the school, means if we compare children A and children B, so a children A or B, which one live near to school. Clear? Now you can see directly from a graph, if we concentrate on the graph of a B, we can say let's suppose this is YB. Clear? This distance is YB, and let's suppose we can say actually this is YA, this distance is YA. Clear? And we can say this distance is, let's suppose YB. Clear? So now you can see directly from a graph the distance of home, or we can say how distance of home of B is more compared to distance of home of A from school. Clear? It means directly you can say YB is greater than YA. Clear? So which children or which person lives near to school? Definitely we can say A lives near to school. So from here you can say, you can take on A lives closer to the school than B. Clear to everyone? So part A is clear to you. Now let's concentrate on part number B. Part number B. Now listen carefully. A and B start from school earlier than B. It means we have two children and which one started earlier. Now you can see at this point we can say we have time t equal to 0. So for children A at time t equal to 0 we have x equal to 0. Clear? And if we say for children B at time something, we can say at time t equal to 0 its x is equal to 0, but actually you can observe here we are having some time, but x is equal to 0 for children number B. Clear? Yes or no? So it means we can say if we compare children A and B, so children B started later compared to A from school. Yes or no? So we can say here A and B start from school earlier than B. So we can say yes, A starts from school earlier than B. Clear to you? You can see let's suppose there is a situation like this. At this time let's suppose you and your friend both are in a school. Clear? Let's suppose after completion of a school your friend that returns to home, but let's suppose you stay for some time in a school, you are clearing your doubts, and after some time you will actually depart from the school to your home. Clear? The same situation we have here. Yes, so we can say A start from school earlier than B. Clear to everyone? So part number B is also clear to you. Okay. Now which one walks faster than which one? Clear? Now we can see if we consider on this slope, let's suppose this is theta B and let's suppose this is theta A. Clear? So we can say directly we can say theta B is greater than theta A. Clear? And we can say because this graph is given to you, this is xt graph. Clear? And slope of xt graph, this provides to you, if this is a distance, it provides to you speed. Yes or no? So our objective in this question is to calculate which one is having a faster speed. So definitely we can say when theta B is greater than theta A, then tan theta B it should be greater than tan theta A. Clear? It means we can say children B move faster than children A. Clear? It means we can say B walk faster than A. Clear to everyone? Now we are going to discuss part number 4. In part number 4 it is given A and B reaches home at the same or different time. Now you can see, if we consider on this point, definitely we can say we have different times, yes or no, and from here you can say T2 is greater than T1. It means we can say children A is taking more time compared to B, yes or no. It means we can say A and B reaches home at different time, yes or no. This is clear to you from this graph. Okay, now dear students, concentrate, and most of the place you will find solution that this graph and this graph they are matching at the same time, because but in NCERT this graph is given to you like this. It means here we can see the time is different. Clear? Now if we talk about part number E, overtakes on the road. Clear? Now you can say definitely we can say A started earlier than B, but B is moving faster compared to A. It means we can say B overtakes at a single point during the journey. Clear? And it reaches before A, yes or no. It means we can say yes, B overtakes A on the road once. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.